The construction of the concrete lining. The first subgrade is prepared, which is compacted properly to a depth of 30 centimeter in sandy soil, 15 centimeter in other types of soil. First, subgrade is prepared by laying the base coat with cement and slurry having proportion 1:4, or oil paper is sprayed on the subgrade, or crude oil is sprayed over the subgrade. The subgrade is compacted properly. Over this subgrade, after preparing this subgrade layer, the concrete lining is done. The concrete is used for lining generally having mixed ratio 1:4, 1:4:8, or 1:3:6, or 1:4:6. This is the mixed proportion which is used for concrete lining. The ratio is 1:4:8. 1 part of cement, 4 parts of the fine aggregate, and 8 parts of the coarse aggregate. So these are the ratios: 1:4:8, 1:3:6, and 1:4:6. These are the various proportions which are used for concrete lining. So concrete is which is laid in alternate blocks. The formwork is after 7 days, which is removed, and the remaining blocks are laid after the removing the formwork after 7 days. The blocks which are laid in a alternate blocks are laid after one layer of the blocks are laid after 7 days. That formwork of that blocks are removed. Again, remaining blocks are laid after laying that blocks. So this concreting is done by laying the concrete layer in a alternate blocks, one or in the parts. This concreting is done. After concreting, the entire line surface, after concreting is done, the entire surface of the concrete lining is cured properly by using the proper curing methods. The water is sprinkled over that concrete lining to set the concrete properly. The proper curing method is used. This is the method of concrete lining. Similar concrete lining. Any difficulty in this? And the second type का है shotcrete lining. This type of lining, mixture of cement and sand, which is used. Cement and sand having ratio 1:4. So this cement, the mixture of cement and sand, which is shot at the subgrade through the nozzle. The mixture of cement and sand which is applied through a nozzle at where the lining is to be done. So it is shotcrete lining. This mixture of cement and sand which is laid through the nozzle system. The thickness of this type of lining varies from 2.5 centimeter to 6.5 centimeter. The thickness कितनी से है shotcrete lining की 2.5 centimeter to 6.5 centimeter. So in this type of shotcrete lining, more cement is consumed. Quantity of cement will be required more. जसं आपण concrete lining मध्ये we spread the concrete is spread over the subgrade. In shotcrete lining, the concrete is applied to the nozzle. Concrete is shotcrete. Shotcrete is used. So the mixture of cement and sand which is applied at the subgrade through a nozzle. The thickness of this lining varies from 2.5 centimeter to 6.5 centimeter. So shotcrete be placed on irregular subgrade. If there is a irregular subgrade is there, if slope of the subgrade is not proper, if it is irregular, on that this shotcrete is placed. Therefore, fine dressing of the subgrade is not required for irregular subgrade. The shotcrete is also used for repair of the old concrete but sound concrete lining. The shotcrete is for repairing of the previous concrete layer which is laid or that subgrade. So to repair the old concrete, this shotcrete technique is used. Also, it is used for repairing of the old canal structures. This is called shotcrete lining. Third one is precast concrete lining. In this type of concrete lining, precast slabs are used. Precast slabs having size 90 centimeter to 30 centimeter in size, which are laid on a subgrade. Thickness of this precast slab is having 5 to 6.5 centimeter. The precast slabs are which are already casted. In concrete lining, we cast the concrete at the site. In precast concrete lining, this slabs of the concrete lining, slabs of the canal, which are casted in precast units, precast slabs, which are used, having size 90 centimeter, 90 centimeter by 30 centimeter. These are the sizes of the precast slabs, which are laid one by one. The thickness of each slab is having 5 to 6.5 centimeter. So which are laid in blocks, as in concrete lining. The concrete slab is laid in alternate blocks. In this also, the precast slabs are laid in alternate blocks. The blocks are manufactured with an interlocking arrangement. So these precast slabs are manufactured. These are the manufactured in the industry. The blocks are manufactured with an interlocking arrangement. While laying of these precast slabs, the interlocking arrangement is made between these precast slabs. They are interlocked with each other while laying this precast concrete line. These precast slabs are interlocked. So the system is provided in that precast slabs. So these precast slabs are laid on well prepared and compacted subgrade. After compaction of the subgrade, these precast slabs are laid over that prepared subgrade. The joints is grotted with cement or that are sealed with asphalt to prevent any seepage through the joint. The joint between these precast slabs, which are grotted with the cement or asphalt, so that water will not seep through it. Seepage losses will not occur. This is the precast concrete lining. Some of the difference between concrete lining, shotcrete lining, and precast concrete lining. Any difficulty in this? Fourth one is cement mortar lining. The cement mortar is used in this lining. The cement mortar lining, which is used for the lining of the canal, the mixture of cement and sand, so which is used to fill the joints, the gap between the brick layer. So it is usually used as a sandwich material between brick layers. This cement mortar which is laid in between brick layers, and they are uh, this brick layer, they are added with the this cement mortar. Thickness of this type of lining is kept from 1 to 4 centimeter. Thickness of lining किती असते यामध्ये 1 to 4 centimeter. So this cement mortar that will bind the brick layers. The method of construction is similar to that of concrete lining. So it joins the brick layers. So this cement mortar is placed in between this brick layers. So these brick layers are joined together with cement mortar. The thickness of lining is kept 1 to 4 centimeter. So in this large amount of cement is consumed, therefore it is more costlier. Cement required for this cement mortar lining will be more, and it will be costlier. Cost of the construction will be more. Fifth one is brick lining, in which bricks are used. In this type of lining, the single or double layer of the brick masonry or layer of the brick masonry is followed by layer of tiles, laid mortar, which are laid in a different layers. So in this brick masonry is used for lining of the canal, as in concrete lining, precast concrete lining, concrete is used. त्यामध्ये bricks use केलेले आहेत. The first layer of the bricks is laid on a 12 mm layer of 1:6 proportion cement mortar. After laying the cement mortar having ratio 1:6, on that these bricks are laid. The mortar is first spread over the bed of the canal. It is compacted properly. The subgrade is wetted. On that, this mixture of cement and mortar is laid. Above that, these bricks are laid. The 12 mm thickness of the brick layer is laid on that cement mortar. A 12 mm thickness layer of plaster in 1:3 cement mortar is laid over the first layer. After laying that bricks, over that cement mortar plaster is laid, having proportion 1:3, which is lower layered. This layer is laid over that brick layer. Plastering is done. 12 mm thickness plastering is done over that brick layer, first layer. Then second layer is laid over it with a proportion of 1:3 cement mortar. After first layer, laying of the first layer, second layer is laid. The size of the brick, which is restricted to 30 by 15 by 5 centimeter, which is convenient for handling purpose. Size of a brick which is restricted to 30 centimeter by 15 by 5 centimeter. This is the size of the brick which is used. So this brick lining which is used in Punjab, Bhakra and Haveri canals. In Bakra and Haveli Canal, this type of brick lining is done. So on Bakra Canal, the performance of this brick lining, which is found satisfactory. So therefore, this lining is more efficient, hydraulically efficient as that of concrete lining. So due to settlement of the subgrade, if settlement occurs, the cracks are developed between these brick layers. These cracks will be very fine. They are fine, very small. Therefore, they do not permit any seepage to the joints or cracks which are developed in the brick layer. So seepage will be minimum. Seepage losses will be minimum in this brick lining. If any failure or settlement occurs, so they are easy to repair. The lining of the canal can be repaired easily if any failure occurs. So this is brick lining. So it is more advantageous, which has similar properties as concrete lining. Similar brick lining, cement mortar lining. काही डिफिकल्टी असेल तर विचारा. त्यानंतर आहे asphalic lining. Which asphalt is used for lining of the canal. So asphaltic lining, which is a mixture of asphalt and red aggregate mixed. The aggregate and asphalt which is mixed together, and they are placed at a high temperature of 200 degrees Celsius. So this mixture of asphalt and aggregate, which are placed over that subgrade at a high temperature of 200 degrees Celsius, and which are covered with the 30 centimeter layer of earth material for a protection. On that asphalt layer, asphalt lining, 30 centimeter line is 30 centimeter layer is provided of earth material. It acts as a protection to that asphaltic lining. So this mix of asphalt and aggregate, which is placed either by hand or by an equipment similar to that of concrete. As in concrete, by laying the concrete lining, same equipment is used in the asphaltic lining for laying this asphalt, the mixture of asphalt and aggregate. They may be laid by hand or by equipment. The equipments may be used for laying of the asphalt mixture, asphaltic mixture. This is the asphaltic lining, which is a mixture of asphalt and grade aggregate, which is mixed together, and they are placed at on a subgrade at a high temperature of 200 degrees Celsius. And on that, the 30 centimeter layer is laid of earth material to protect that layer. This is the asphaltic lining. Somebody. Seventh one is soil cement lining. So this is a 7 types. So after this, we have seen the different materials. These are the hard surface type lining. त्यामध्ये सिमेंट कॉन्क्रीट cement concrete lining. In cement concrete is used, shotcut is used, precast concrete is used, cement mortar is used, brick masonry is used, brick layers are laid, and stone blocks are laid, or understone layers are laid. In asphaltic lining is done. So these are based on the hard surface of the canal structure. This type of materials are used for lining of the canal. These are called hard surface type lining. Third type lining मध्ये 3 types आहेत: soil cement lining, clay puddle lining and sodium carbonate lining. आता आपण सेकंड टाइप पाहतोय. सेकंड टाइप इज अर्थ टाइप लाइनिंग. त्यामध्ये सॉइल सिमेंट लाइनिंग आहे, क्ले पडल लाइनिंग अँड सोडियम कार्बोनेट लाइनिंग. First type is soil cement lining. In this type of lining, the mixture of cement and soil is used. Cement plus soil is added with water, and they are laid on the subgrade. The soil is used in the soil cement should not contain more than 35% of the fine fraction passing over 200 mm sieve. So the soil particles which are passing through the 200 mm ice sieve, that soil particles are used. So that should not be more than 35%. That soil materials, soil particles are used which are passing through the 200 mm ice sieve. So that are added with the cement. The mixture of soil and cement is used. The mixture in proportion of 90 to 95% of the soil and 10 to 5% of the cement is thoroughly mixed together in dry condition. How much the proportion is used? 90 to 95% of soil is used and 10 to 5% cement is used, which are mixed together. Dry mix is done. Then water is added to raise the moisture content to optimum. After preparing this mix, it is placed over the subgrade and it is properly compacted. After laying the mixture of soil cement, it is compacted properly. So after laying this soil cement layer, it is covered with the wet sand or wet straws are laid over that soil cement layer for 7 days of curing. This wet sand and wet straws are laid to complete the curing process. For 7 days, this wet sand and wet straws are covered over that soil cement layer. In USA, plastic soil cement has been used with higher consistency to get faster rate of construction. In US, they have used the plastic soil cement with higher consistency so that the construction will be faster. The laying of the that mixture will be fast. Faster laying of the that mixture will be there. The lining of the canal is done fastly to increase the rate of construction. So the plastic soil cement is used. This is soil cement lining. Some of the soil cement lining. And there clay puddle lining. So clay puddle is produced from clay. In which clay is used with the mixture of clay and water. The clay puddle is produced from clay by first exposing clay to weathering. It is then mixed with water to bring it to saturation. That clay is mixed with the water to form this clay puddle. The exposing clay, which is the first exposing clay to weathering, that clay is used, that is mixed with the water, and it is completely saturated, and it is worked thoroughly by trampling under man's or cattle's feet. So after preparing this clay puddle, it is laid over that subgrade. So trampling is done, man or cattle or any animals feet, cattle's feet. So that is compacted. That mixture is trampled by man's feet or cattle's feet. With the help of that feet, it is compacted. That clay is compacted. That is laid over that canal structure, canal subgrade. The thickness of this clay puddle is having 30 centimeters. And after laying this clay puddle, the earth material layer is laid to protect this clay puddle layer. The earth material is laid over that. Clay puddle is a mixture of clay and water that are laid over that subgrade of the canal. And it is compacted compared with the man's feet or cattle's feet. The thickness of lining is 30 centimeters. This clay puddle lining. And third type of lining in the earth type lining is sodium carbonate lining. In this, there is a mixture of sodium carbonate with the clay soil. The clay soil is mixed with the sodium carbonate with the proportion at least 10% of the clay and 6% of the sodium carbonate is used. This proportion is used mixed together. 10% of the clay and 6% of sodium carbonate is mixed together, and they are laid over the subgrade with a thickness of lining is kept as 10 centimeter. Thickness of lining किती ठेवलेला आहे 10 centimeter. So this type of lining used for small canals and water courses, which are not durable. For small types of canals, this type of lining is used, in which sodium carbonate is used with which is mixed with the clay soil to form this sodium carbonate lining. So these are the lining type which is used for small structures, small canal structure. So these are the three types under earth type lining. Earth type lining में तीन types अपने पहले soil cement lining, clay puddle lining and sodium carbonate lining. And third type का है buried and protected membrane type lining. यामध्ये तीन types आहेत prefabricated light membrane lining, bentonite soil and clay membrane lining, and road oil lining. The stone block lining. It consists of 100 stone blocks set in mortar, and they are laid over a prepared subgrade. The stone blocks are laid on a subgrade, which are set in a mortar. After laying the mortar, the stones are laid over that, and they are bonded together. So after laying that, these stone blocks, which are laid in a layer, as we have seen in the brick lining. Brick lining is done with the help of brick masonry. This stone masonry is used, stone blocks are used, which are laid in a blocks, so which are more effective, but they are more costlier. This dressed stone block lining is more costlier. This stone block lining. Then prefabricated lightweight membrane. These are the matted fibers of asbestos or jute, and it is coated with the asphalt. This membrane, which is made with this matted fibers of the asbestos or jute, and which are coated with the asphalt. So this layer, fibers of asbestos or jute, with the coat of asphalt, which are laid over the subgrade with smooth and prepared subgrade. After laying this asbestos or jute layer, which is covered with the earth material. After laying this matted fibers of asbestos or jute, over that earth material is laid, it is covered over this layer to form this membrane, prefabricated lightweight membrane, in which matted fibers of asbestos or jutes are used. Therefore, this type of lining is called prefabricated lightweight membrane. Prefabricated lightweight membrane type lining. And there are bentonite and clay membrane. In this type of lining, bentonite clay is used. Bentonite is a type of soil. Bentonite or clay blanket having thickness 4 cm, which is laid over the prepared subgrade. The clay material is used. Clay membrane is used having thickness 4 cm. After laying this 4 cm thickness layer, over that earth material is laid, which is covered with earth material. After laying this 4 cm thickness of the clay blanket or bentonite clay, which is laid over that earth material is laid. So therefore, this type of lining is called bentonite and clay membrane type lining. And last one is road oil lining, in which road oil is sprinkled on the subgrade, which is prepared with a thickness of about 1.5 mm. So which is sufficient to saturate the subgrade to a depth of 8 cm. The road oil is sprinkled over that subgrade having thickness of 1.5 mm. Over that subgrade, this road oil is sprinkled. Then subgrade is then rolled so that oil enters the soil pores. After sprinkling of this road oil, it is rolled with the help of rolling equipment so that oil will enter in the pores, in the voids of the soil. Therefore, this type of lining is called road oil lining or road oil type of lining, in which oil is used, which is mixed with the soil. Also, we have seen different types of canal lining. Someone is present canal lining. Any difficulty? Someone the current. These are the various types of lining. त्यामुळे आपण हार्ड सरफेस टाइप लाइनिंग पाहिले. त्यामुळे सिमेंट कॉन्क्रीट लाइनिंग, शॉर्टकट लाइनिंग, प्रिकास्ट कॉन्क्रीट लाइनिंग, सिमेंट मोर्टर लाइनिंग, ब्रिक लाइनिंग, स्टोन ब्लॉक्स और अनड्रेस्ड स्टोन लाइनिंग, एस्फाल्टिक लाइनिंग. And second type, earth type lining. मेरे 3 types है. Soil cement lining, clay puddle lining, sodium carbonate lining. And again buried and protected membrane type lining. It includes prefabricated light membrane lining, bentonite soil and clay membrane lining, and road oil lining. These are the three types. These are the various types of concrete, various types of lining. Types of lining. Any difficulty, please ask. How is it, Sarona? Any problem in this? You can unmute yourself. You can ask. Or you can ask in chat box. क्या difficulty क्या? Please ask. Any difficulty in this? So after 1 minute, this session will close. After 1 minute, you have to join again with same link. Then we will see economics of the canal lining.